Okay, everybody, here's part 2 for my lawnmower mulcher wood chipper, and got this plumber's tape here where I can keep it running. Don't really need that on. Don't need it left on while it's not running. So you can see here, all that right there was a pretty decent pile of wood. There was a lot of it that was, yeah, maybe a little smaller than this here. I mean, it'll chop this up like it's nothing too. So I did have a smaller hole cut out there, but I got to watching a bunch of videos, and I don't know, just like I wanted to be able to, wanted to be able to stuff a pretty good size stick in there. But yeah, that you start sticking that in there and it just starts sucking it down. So that's a pretty good job. On the next video I'll be running it. Right now I just ran out of gas. Another thing is I'm gonna put some more plumber's tape in here so it won't be as wobbly. And in the next video I'll be running it, showing you guys how it does. Yeah, if you guys got any questions, comment down below.